Today I'll be showing you how to do chocolate sponge, the sponge that I normally use when I'm doing my Black Forest cake. And our ingredients are, we have our flour mixed with cocoa powder. The flour is 215 grams and the cocoa powder is 35 grams. Our sugar, 250 grams, our 10 eggs, and I'll be putting few drops of vanilla essence, just very few. Yeah. We are going to start by putting our sugar into the machine, then our eggs. Then we'll start whisking until it doubles up. our mix has doubled up, we stop the machine, we remove it, then we start folding in little by little. Now we are going to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Yeah, you can see how our product came out. It has come out so well. This is the sponge, the chocolate sponge that I normally use when I'm doing my Black Forest cake. It's very nice. You can see how spongy it is. And that recipe gave me 2 pieces of cake. And it's very beautiful. Please try it and let me know in the comment section how your recipe came out. Also, remember to like, share, subscribe to Ann Lele YouTube channel, and also remember to click the notification button right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.